Today I'm going to show you how to print from your MacBook Air in the simplest, step-by-step way. Step 1. Connect your printer Wi-Fi or USB. First, make sure your printer is properly connected. If it's a Wi-Fi printer, it has to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your MacBook Air. If you're using a USB printer, just plug the cable into your Mac using an adapter if needed. Make sure the printer is powered on and in ready mode. Step 2. Add the printer to your Mac. Now let's add the printer to your Mac. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner. Go to System Settings. Scroll down and select Printers and Scanners. Here, click on Add Printer. Your Mac will automatically search for available printers. When you see your printer in the list, just click Add. And that's it, your printer is now connected to your MacBook Air. Step 3. Open the file you want to print. Next, open the document you want to print. This could be a PDF, a photo, a web page, a Word file, pretty much anything. Just make sure it's open on your screen. Step 4. Use the print command. The fastest way to print is the shortcut. Command+P, or you can go to the top menu and click File, then Print. Step 5. Select Printer and adjust settings. Now the print window will appear. Choose your printer from the list. Then customize your settings like number of copies, color or black and white, which pages you want, layout, double-sided, printing paper size, adjust whatever you need. It's super simple. Step 6. Click Print. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Print. Your printer should start printing right away. Like and subscribe more tech tips.